Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get cosmetics and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have already placed two cosmetics on my garden. Okay, this one and also this one, and I'm going to show you how we can get the cosmetics. So guys, to get the cosmetic, you need to get this crate first. And here I have the fun crate. You need to place the crate on your garden, and then you can wait for about 30 minutes, I guess. And then after that, you can open the crate and you will get cosmetic. Wait, I'm going to go to this menu. Okay, and I'm going to place one of my crate. Okay, I have Blood Moon crate, Summer Fun crate, and Twilight crate. And I'm going to select this one and I'm going to place it here. And then we just need to wait until the crate can be opened. Okay, well, let me see it. Okay, and for this Blood Moon crate, we just need to wait for about 10 minutes, and after that we'll be able to open the crate and the cosmetic will be revealed. And to find the cosmetics guys, you can click on this icon right here. Okay, and these are all my cosmetics. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get cosmetics on grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.